akiro muraibu nse ngocha ari gusi
Sure.
hagocha Jumapili tarehe 12 and he'll be here for 4 days. Sama tukaya gaiga ibintu n'ibingi projects n'ichinga cyo
Aracha kurana.
Chi project kichiga chiko ba launch. This is money coming from the national government. Ejinechi bastigo cha gusi. Usitu abera abantu turese kimilioka. Ntokunyurana na intu ntugwente twakorirwo mirimo. Ese ginto chetasoe. Turakana.
Kabisa.
Lakini at the right time. Asabone ganche ginto ndatebe mo usinto takira magendero. And now when the president is coming, unabonega nkoreta 900 million for Gusii Stadium. For just Gusii Stadium. Nkonyari 900 million. Ne stadium erion spinko yerigwere erosigu tuenane a new face of Gusii Stadium. Etimu yetu ya Shabana. Mwete kama etimu yetu kurara tuwaboka tuwalengere.
Shabana.
Yaani kama gendongere kia bekiro muguzi yamo anyway Shabana. Shabana yaito. Ngo egwere basi kekera konyori bagotara mogosoka no nini no kero mogosona baro stadium mwali aga school aga bus kaligeta kanga school bus. So we are getting a big bus. Those are things we demanded from the president.
Sure.
Not only that. Nkubugate major projects that she's going to launch. Chipara chinyinge sana in more than 10 constituencies. Agwonchukana alonchi chipara, alonchi chichiro, alonchi projects ya housing. Chi projects singe sana chikoba launch during his time. So, again taking what the impact. Yes. Asenchi from where I'm looking at it.
Ayoroche impact.
Tutalikobe siasa. He is bringing amagenderero. Kiragucha kutoigurira chipara. Aigore chistima. Last mile connectivity njometega kitenda ra gote benki nete bugirango nintutu amanyira abantu turi very backward. Yani ukwana naye no mugirango munta agote nochi kuligiri mugirango akyakororkana. Because bugirango nero yalingi maega pi.
Lakini bono.
But I can tell you from where I sit bono tuachira tamisa because bono nyore chipare chetu ni rami chikutara chiko mnyoka yiga nje minto tabakaga ari minto engo swani rami yiga naso ambaka minto.
Na sipa asiga gwe kanyenda.
Estima yani kale na karore estima yani ogukumio mwaro estimate age goka estima. Chitebire ebibe atu agatumire asama tanga ni chi pressure ambu etanire yakabekero egento getege chungi getega echungi kinande giaga okire na ndimbe tike kigiaka wapi physics yunanya kwenye bugata, but that is what we used to use.
Lakini boni gather is power.
Bono game into bya chinchiri obu arabu ense ya arabire. And actually no monene bwenza gojicha nane kolonja ichi projects nyingi ne para nere yase to gari anya bigina. Ipare yungoro sigwere ngoso kigwere terogoro. Chipara neti nyinga go cha launch. So if the president is coming, kurubuko ne Masimba gari. Echiro njaro sigwe nene sana. Masimba market. The president ngochere ko wanche chire. Chipara chiri konyo chitu chandete. Housing projects. Nde totare go chogimbo. Urigere chinyumba chiaga chikugimbo gari. Urigere mechiteri ni chirigere tigoroiga. You will know that things are working. From where I sit, no any dream ya Singapore.
No chike go come true.
If it's given time.
Na bego chakoba.
Shida yo makenya ko matena naki. Kokoro serinde para.
Otaka immediately.
Otaka maambia eparebe. Which might not happen immediately. However, with time, even tevion simbikoleke. Azilakini bono igale ro baba. Ya tari serikali kwa ndangiringegerere. Se kwa ndangitu kwa namuna yabakungu.